Hello! Today we will draw this beautiful mandala. Let's start. To make the mandala grid, you have to draw 8 circles with the following ready. And the grid lines should be separated by 22.5 degrees. If you need help drawing the mandala grid, please watch the tutorials on my channel or simply click the link above. Start by retracing the outline of the smallest circle. Now draw a regular petal on each 2 grid sections, exactly like I'm doing. Limit this regular petal in the section between the first circle and the second circle. Now draw a reversed teardrop between each 2 regular petals on the same row. Inside each petal, draw a very small circle at the top and color it with black, exactly like I'm doing. Now, in the next row, the space between the second and third circles, draw a regular petal spanning every 2 grid sections. Make sure each petal starts at the tip of a petal from the previous row and ends at the tip of the next petal. Inside each petal, draw a second outline to create a double-lined effect. Start the inner outline approximately 2 millimeters below the tip of the original petal. Then, follow the petal's shape and gradually merge the line into the original outline at the base of the petal. Now, at the top of this petal, draw a reverse teardrop and color it in black. Now, fill the space between the original petal outline and the inner outline with black. Between each 2 petals, draw a reverse teardrop. In the next row, create a continuous zigzag pattern by drawing a point across every 2 grid sections. Each point should start at the tip of one petal, rise to a peak, and end at the tip of the next petal. Now, draw another pointed V shape between each of the existing ones. Position each new V so that it fits neatly in the space between 2 adjacent V shapes, creating an alternating pattern around the circle. Inside each small pointed V shape, draw a second outline along the left side only to create a double-lined effect. In the next row, between the 4th and the 5th circle, draw 1 regular petal in each grid section. Actually, it's unlike the previous row, where each petal spanned 2 grid sections. These petals should fit within a single grid section. Now draw a small regular petal between each pair of petals, filling the empty space between them. Color the line we created in the V shape with black. Draw a small black dot at the top of the big regular petals. In the next row, draw a pointed V shape from the tip of one large petal to the tip of the next large petal. Now, draw an inner outline along the right side only of each pointed V shape. Now, fill the space between the original line and the inner outline with black. In the next row, draw a regular petal above each pointed V shape. Now make sure the petal wraps around the V shape that we drew on the previous row. Between each pair of petals, you'll notice a small visible section of the sixth circle. Trace over these exposed sections with your drawing pen. Draw a very small circle at the top of each petal. Now draw a smaller regular petal between each pair of petals. In the next row, draw a pointed V shape from the tip of one small petal to the tip of the next small petal. Now draw an inner outline along the left side only of each pointed V shape. Now fill the space between the original line and the inner outline with black. Draw a small pointed V shape between each pair of pointed V shapes that we drew in the previous step. Our mandala is complete. I hope this tutorial helped you relax, slow down, and enjoy the creative process. Thank you for drawing with me, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.